Hello. Today I'm going to talk about Automate, which is the auto repair service which is available to you for free with your library card. In order to access it, all you need to do is click on the link below, which will take you to login website, and you'll have to enter your library card. If you don't have a library card or yours is not working, contact the library. You can send me an email, mmerlino@prpl.ca or info@prpl.ca, and we'll get your library card working. The auto repair service was created and maintained by Motor Driven, the same people who have Motor Magazine, and it contains a database of all of the technical specifications, descriptions, diagnostic information, everything you'll need for your vehicle. Vehicles produced between 1974 and 2020, so newer vehicles. So what kind of information can you find there? Like, why would you want to go? If you're having problems, you're looking for maintenance, you're not a mechanic, there's a lot of really detailed and helpful information about maintenance schedules for each of your major components in the vehicle. For instance, if you're having problems with your tires, you can get specifications for your vehicle, for the rim sizes, pressure for tires. If you're having a problem with your battery, you get recommended battery specifications, replacement procedure. There are detailed diagrams for every component. If you want to do some auto body work, there are specifications for each part of the body and frame of your vehicle. For other major components, there's very detailed information and recommendations for maintenance as well. So when should they be maintained, such as your brakes. Another helpful thing, and this is if you're a mechanic or not, there's a tool that you can use to calculate the parts and labor required to do any job that you think you'll need to do. All you really need to find out this information is the year, make, model, and engine type of your vehicle, and then it'll just bring up a list of all of this information for your vehicle. It's a very straightforward, user-friendly system. If you have any problems or any questions about this or any other tech related matter, let me know. Send me an email, mmerlino, mmerlino @prpl.ca. Thanks.